Welcome to the tutorial on how to create segments. The Create Segments page can be found under an Other or Help menu in your Insight Center. To get started, you will want to choose the data source for which you want to create a segment. If you don't know which source to choose, look at the charts you are wanting to customize. The data source is at the bottom of each chart in the Insight Center. Search for the question or answers you want to use to create a segment. When you receive your search results, click the down arrow next to the question you are interested in using, and click the boxes next to the answers you want to use to create your segment. Once you have finished selecting the answers, click the Add Answers button in the top right of the search box. You can review the answers you have added to your segment in the segment definition box. After you have added all of the answers you want to use to define your segment, name your segment. Click Add to Insight Center. You will receive a message letting you know that the segment has been added. Click Clear All in the upper right corner of the segment definition box to clear out your current segment definition and start over. Now let's make it a little bit more complex and create a segment using answers from multiple questions. Start again by selecting the data source. Then, search on the terms to find the first question or answers you want to use. Click the boxes next to the answers you are using to define your segment, and click Add Answers. To make this a more complex segment, go back to the search function and search on the next question or answers you want to add to the segment. Select the appropriate answers and click Add Answers. You can now see that all answers you selected appear in the segment definition box. If you have added any items to the segment definition that you do not want to use, just click the red X next to the question or answer to remove it from the definition. After you have reviewed your segment definition and are satisfied with your choices, name your segment and click Add to Insight Center. The segments you have added will now appear in your segment list in the charts that are from the data source you selected. To see these segments, simply click out to an Insight Center chart from the data source from which you created a segment. Click the Options button and select the segment dropdown. These segments are now available for you to use.